here in his very first significant playoff run para dito sa Pasay.
It's usually a deceiving stat, no? Yung binanggit mo coming off the we expect, no, sa playoffs.
Yeah. Maiquez had to adjust in mid-air but was able to score the first 2 points for San Juan. Offense stalls, how will they respond, especially against a very disciplined defensive team like San Juan? As we see there, the reverse layup from AJ Coronel.
Just when you say that, they give up the drop pass, and Coronel goes to the reverse to protect his shot. Maiquez, strong start for him. All 5 points from him.
Points here. Well, anyway.
I-S-T-E yun, stepping.
Ito hindi stepping.
Tsaka
pumasok. So 2 3-pointers made by San Juan. Rebound Alforque.
Good pass.
The outlet to Amar. Transition free is good.
What a beautiful rebound and out.
Nice pass inside. They go back out to Dexter Maiquez.
Timeout.
It's a long 2-point shot from Dexter Maiquez, forcing the hand of Coach Marlon Martin.
After which, naka-experience sila ng lindol magkakasama, pero hindi daw sila nag-crack. They were actually in a circle in the middle of an open forum, and even if they cannot be detailed about everything that they talked about there, look at their performance today. Coach Alex expressed how satisfying this was for a coach bago pumasok ng isang digmaan. Gaano nga ba, Coach Chris?
Coach Chris?
I don't know. I've never done and never done nag-ghost hunting. Kakaiba.
And that bond might just help San Juan make another push in the playoffs. And man, what a scorching start for the Knights.
Ito yung sigurado ako, the way San Juan has been performing. Minumulto nila ngayon itong Pasay Voyagers.
Parito getting that hook shot up and in.
5-on-5. The thing is, they couldn't convert, they couldn't execute. You know, last time was a turnover, and ito, defensively, they've just
by Mark Sanco. Sanco dire-derecho using his offhand for the finish.
It could be a spark, no, para sa
Manligues kicks it out. Rios inside. Soriano with the reverse.
It's a good timeout by Coach Alex, not wasting any time. As again, since the call was made already, that's a first for me.
Cuellar kicks it out. Hugnatan, balik kay JC. Pupukol sa 3. Yes! Oh boy, San Juan just light.
Down by 15. Naputol yung kanilang maliit na momentum. Bago yung tirang yon, ang bigat ng sagot ni Sanco.
Yeah, much needed triple from Mark Sanco. Will take another 3. That time it's short. Cuellar finds Raul Soyod inside, takes his time and scores. Nakuha yung bola para San Juan. Soberano puts in that 3-pointer from the right corner.
That's the impact of a JC Cuellar last month against Abra. If they won that, they probably would have been the #1 team. But it's a different story, no? Ngayon, papasok ng playoffs. They ended up as the 3rd.
Soyod against Brian Hilario.
It's a mismatch.
Oh man, banks it in.
The help was late. It came from the backside, but in the second half.
Hilario Mintes sa loob, under the rest. Mark Sanco scoring a 7-point. Take off JC Cuellar. Hilario, hindi rin na may ipagpag yung depensa, pero nagawa ng paraan. Hilario scores over Raul Soyod.
And gives a nice stare for about 2 seconds.
Soberano off the move, puts in that 3. Second triple galing kay AC. Cuellar quickly to Panganiban. He drives, he scores, plus the foul.
Oh, what a poor foul that was, because if you're gonna foul, gusto ko nga yun. Lalo na yung Michael Jackson, na rock with you, di ba? Ito, rock with the ring ang ginagawa ng San Juan dahil halos hindi sila magmintis sa larong ito. Grabe, porsyento nila, mahigit 60% field goals.
Hilario with that mid-range jumper. Pero 22 puntos pa kailangan. Soberano again, open free.
Libre na naman. Sana all. Hey,
Oh.
huwag na tanongin kung ano.
Sanko pumihit. Flips it up and in. Mark Sanko with 9 points. Who misses?
Yun lang, pinasa sa ulo. Turnover.
Nakatakas. Cyrus Tabi able to score.
You know, alam mo yung isang goal na yon, not to give up open shots. Sa tingin ko makakatulong sa mga goals nila yon.
Yun, di open shot yun, pero
And getting a stop.
isa pa yun.
Yeah. Or excuse me, stops. Hindi lang isa, kulang ang isa.
Pajarito umararo sa ilalim and scores his 4th point. Ang pagkakataon ang Pasay na maibaba ang kalamangan. Salenga sumugod off the glass and in. Ramos, pass to Maikez. He will pull up. It's too strong. Gamboa snares down the offensive board and puts it back in for San Juan.
And that's what you have. An attempt, no, which was Aldrich Ramos. Gamboa just crashed the offensive board. Nobody boxed it out. And he was by himself for the stick back, just like itong layup ni Dexter Maikez.
Great. 6 seconds on their shot clock. Bagyang nalibre si Coronel. Binalik kay Pajarito. Binomba pa. Puts it in. And a bonus free throw coming up after getting fouled.
Two-man.
Nagpahirap lang sa alumni league na naglalaro sa playoffs ngayon eh.
Sino?
Or sa Mindoro.
Si Ken Bono.
Oh.
Yes.
Former UAP MVP.
Tama. Pajarito. Ito. Christian ulit.
Headway here. Chance to trim the gap even further. Christian Pajarito against Dexter Maikez. Pumihit. Forcing his way in. It's volleyball time for Christian Pajarito.
Plan. A chance for Pajarito and Salenga to showcase their talents, for Tabi to be one of the most stable guys of the team. Chance for me to prove that my vision is still relevant to this team.
Mundo sa kanilang shot clock. Wamar. Burst of speed. Kicks it out. Aldrich Ramos with a long 2-point shot from the left corner pocket.
I wasn't a fan of the ball screen. Sandaling pagbitaw na yun allowed Wamar to change his pace, drive the basketball, and find the open man off that kick out. Catch and shoot para kay Jasper.
Bose pa rin ang labang ng San Juan dito. Orlan Wamar in traffic. They swing it. Gamboa finds an opening. Sidestep beauty for Arvin Gamboa.
Strike a pose. Open shot, hindi lang pumasok yung corner. Manligues!
Dire-diretso. Daryl Manligues will lay it up and in with his left hand.
Oh, what a way.
Panganiban missing on the free. Sanko with another rebound. Jopet Soriano tuloy-tuloy. Naipasok yung tira. May foul pang kasama yan.
Naging sobrang lamig naman. Ito third quarter, another turnover and another layup.
Cyrus Tabi completes it. Lead is down.
Panganiban that led to the air ball on top by Colliar. He's been an important part of this Pasay run. But Galinato, first time to check in.
Yeah.
Wamar, because kung natawagan ng fourth foul yun, baka nilabas siya. Mapapaaga yung pagpasok mo kay Orlan sa fourth quarter. But what an answer for San Juan to start this quarter. Coincidentally, their first three, tulad na nabanggit mo, para maging double digit ulit yung lamang nila, pero masyadong maaga yung
Pinasa kay Mark Sanko. Pajarito, libre na naman para sa tres. Gets it to go!
Well, that's the thing. Tulad na nasabi na lahat in the first half of Pasay giving up open shots, a lot of open shots. And ito, turnover. Cyrus will finish. Yes!
A righteous finish here for Pasay.
Pasay already with 19 points off of turnovers. That time it was off a set.
The kick out, Wamar, open free, AC all day to shoot. It's good! Big time free from AC. Salenga, the answer, backs it in! Ramos tracks it down for San Juan. Soberano will launch. Will get it a go from downtown.
There's not.
San Juan up by 3, trying to protect their lead. Maikez, swing pass, Soberano, his third free of the quarter, and he has a total of 18 points. Minute and 30 left in regulation. Farito. Pump fake. Will stand one through. 20 points for Christian Farito. It's to foul. Soberano is free. Will not force up a shot. They will burn some time off the clock. And Galinato will be tested at the line. 80% free throw shooter. Sinks the back end of his 2 free throws.
It's in 10 seconds before this one. So let's see.
Galliano. Hand off to J.R. Chavez. Salenga.
We're taking
Makes his
too
move.
long.
Kick out. Open free. J.R. Chavez. It's good! That was a broken play, Coach Chris. Into overtime. Cullar gets it to Orlan Wamar. 5 seconds remaining on an island against AJ Coronel. Wamar makes his move. Puts it up. No good. And we are going into OT. AC had 9 of his 18 points in the fourth quarter. Soyod is free inside. Nice feed from Orlan Wamar.
Just the defense in the backside caught ball. Pagpasok pa lang ng toll gate, papasok ng Nueva Ecija. Nagbabago na yung birth certificate. Manligues! Dire-diretso!
Ito si Darrell Manligues. Inserting 2 point guards in this overtime period, Cullar and Orlan Wamar.
Probably to match up against the 2 guards also of Chavez Jr. and Manligues, but Soberano. He's had the hot hand since the start of the fourth. Beautiful passing by Pasay. Manligues to Coronel to Soriano.
Isa no go.
That's a shot you want to give up if you're Pasay, and here's Pasay. What a pass!
Manligues, the fake, the basket plus the foul. Pasay takes their first lead of the ball game. He has 8 points. He will drive. And he gets fouled. 2 free throws coming up for Orlan Wamar.
The other guys, because Orlan Wamar has done a splendid job of, he does have 5 but also has 6 turnovers. But if Pasay could find a way. 2-3 months ago,
5 months ago.
5 months ago with a game winner, Wamar has the basketball now.
1 second left, and Silas Tabi almost got it in. Not sure if it would have counted had it gone in, but man, we need 5 more minutes, Coach Chris. 7 seconds left on their shot clock. Tabi tries to wiggle free. Nice pass. Manligues for free. It's a long 2-point shot for Darrell Manligues. His foot on the line.
Well, he's been in control of every possession except that one.
Naagaw ni Orlan Wamar. Kick out. Soberano for the lead. It's good! AC with 8 triples for a total of 24 points.
As for Salenga, with that zipper action, he's going to take a 3.
For free, it will roll out. Soyo the rebound.
They need to foul.
17 seconds to go. Wamar held on by Jopet Soriano. Salenga asking for a foul. And he does. 2 for 2. 5 na ang lamang ng San Juan Knights.
It's anything but a 3.
Tabi. Binigay kay Josh Galliano. Kick out. Manligues. Had to adjust that shot. And that's gonna do it. San Juan surviving that spirited rally by the Pasay Voyagers. And San Juan prevailing here against Pasay 94-89 in double OT. Let's go.